I've sailed the wild interwebby seas hunting for buried treasure, not gold, but something rarer. A truly free vocal remover app. Online stem makers? Plenty. Free software? No problem. I even made a video on that. Click the link to check it out. But mobile apps? That's where things get tricky. Today, we're diving into 5 mobile vocal remover apps that claim to be free, but are they real treasure or just shiny fool's gold? So hoist the flag and join the crew of Pixel Pirates, and let's set sail to find out. Voyage is one of the most popular AI vocal removers on Android and iOS. It separates vocals, drums, bass, and other stems, perfect for making jam tracks, backing tracks for guitar, or creating acapellas. The free plan lets you process 5 songs per month, each up to 5 minutes long. Go premium for unlimited use, longer tracks, and more features. Even with limits, Voyage is a great choice for casual users who just want clean splits without paying up front. SplitHit has a big library of songs already built in, so you can start right away, no uploads needed. You can also add your own music and split it into vocals, drums, or instrumentals. To process a song, just watch a 30-second ad. Then you can save and download 1 song per day. That's real free access. No tricks, no trials. Perfect for making drumless backing tracks or quick stems while you're on the move. Music Lab, vocal remover and AI splitter available on iOS and Android. And here's the tip. When you open the app for the first time, it gives you a one-time offer for a 3-day pro trial. Miss it, and you miss out on full access to all features. The free version lets you preview your separated tracks using the AI vocal isolator, but downloading or exporting requires the pro upgrade. It's ideal for quick tests or short projects if you're hunting for studio-quality vocal extraction without paying up front. You've probably heard of lol.ai, one of the most accurate AI stem makers out there. Their mobile app gives you 10 minutes of free processing per month, perfect for vocal removal, instrument isolation, or custom stem types like piano or drums. If you just need occasional splits with high quality, this one's pure treasure. Clean, fast, and trustworthy. Unmix by AppSmarts, available on iOS and Android. Unmix removes vocals or instruments using AI and lets you export or preview results instantly. It's great for creating backing tracks, jam tracks, or acapella stems for singers, DJs, or guitarists. The free version limits downloads and quality, but gives you enough to test before upgrading. A handy tool for anyone experimenting with AI vocal removal on mobile. Final thoughts. So, did I actually find a free vocal remover app? Not exactly. SplitHit and lol.ai offer real free use with light restrictions, while Voyage and Music Lab give you limited but powerful options. They're not full treasure chests, but there's gold there. Now, if you want pure gold, go check out the video on free vocal remover for your PC. The link's just off the port side. Until next time, may your seas be calm and your stems clean.